If the Igbos want me to release Nnamdi Kanu, this is the only way where they go to achieve them.
On a platter
Now,
of gold.
let us watch this
never
video.
Given will. Democracy, progress, development, political change does not come on a platter of gold. It is never given willingly. And it is not elders like us that lead to political change. Most times, it is young people. And most young people in this country are going to suffer very dearly for their docility and lack of political activism. We are going, people like me, we're just here. We live day to day. Any person bothering about me is a fool. Now, Nnamdi Kanu was brought to court recently. Nnamdi Kanu was taken to court. Only about 150 young Igbo boys were there. And they were singing peacefully. Nobody harassed them. However, I was thinking that if the Igbo young men in Abuja and environs should converge in that court area, there will be a massive crowd there that will go close to 500,000 people. And I have studied the judiciary all over the world. The judiciary has emotions. They fear crowd. They fear the voice of the people. And I want to thank Abaribe, Senator Abaribe, for disrupting the Senate because of Nnamdi Kanu. I know Abaribe very well. I preached the day he gave his life to Christ. So I know them. I know the prominent Igbo boys in Aba. So I preached that day he got born again. The next thing is that the sit-at-home order is shooting the Igbos on their feet. It is self-destructive. Shooting people and killing people during Monday's sit-at-home order is not effective. Any day Nnamdi Kanu is being brought to court without so much disruption, let the Igbos in that environment and anywhere massively gather to give him moral support. Line the streets. You don't need to fight. You don't need to throw. You don't need even to carry leaves. Just line the streets. Just be peaceful and well-dressed. Wear your Igbo attire. If any person attacks you, we will know that they don't like the Igbos. They don't want them in the country. And then your desire for Biafra will be demonstrated and authenticated in the streets. Go there. Showore has been going to the court to stand by Nnamdi Kanu. Showore has been going. He's a Yoruba boy. He's from Ondo State. Why can't you, social media, Biafra will stand, come here and talk rubbish? Go to the streets there. Go there and stand with him. After all, he's fighting for you. Go there. If you live in Abuja, Nasarawa State, any of the states there, go there and stand. Don't fight. Don't destroy anything. Just wear your Igbo attire. Wear your cap. Stand there and wait for his arrival. And by the time people see that you are serious-minded for his release, the Supreme Court has said that he was brought for rendition from Kenya. Other courts, they can't keep this man in detention just like that without people showing their frustration and their anger with the detention. Don't come to the East and start disrupting businesses and terrorizing people sit at home. No. The day of the protest, go to where the court is, mobilize your people around that area, fill that area, and they will know you are serious-minded and they will take you seriously. Freedom does not come on a platter of gold, and it does not come from pressing keyboards or attacking people on social media. It comes by showing resilience, presence, being vocal, and being visible. The next trial date, try it. You will see that they will know you are serious-minded. But when he just goes there with only his lawyers, a few traditional rulers that will go and sit under trees and all that. No. Make people take you seriously. Let them take you seriously. And take yourself seriously. Justice has an emotional side. If Black Lives Matter did not demonstrate, the killers of George Floyd will have been set free. Black Lives Matter have brought justice to more black people in recent times than ever before. Let them know. Let the world know what is happening, and let your presence attract attention.
Don't see them. The evil prevail because the righteous people, they just keep quiet. Nobody want make them say na him. Everybody want comot himself. Nobody want make them say na him. Because the righteous, they do nothing. Now, every Monday, they go they lock people where supposed go Aso Rock, people where supposed go where the court go they protest, peaceful protest. Every Monday, they'll go they lock shop. They'll go they buy people for East. Instead of to go where they do the main thing, go protest. They lock up their businesses for East. Just so that they will achieve their own selfish interests. But see this video now. Now the only way we say, if you want me to release Nnamdi Kanu, they go release them. But even people where they Abuja say nobody cares. But the day online they shout Biafra, Biafra, Biafra. We no go agree, we no go agree, and nobody cares about him. And this guy don't stay there for over 3 years, and he has been fighting for the Igbo people. Those people who want the Biafra, they go about, they do their business. But the person where they fight for now, they inside. Nobody even care. They're not only for online and they shout for Biafra. Now there is the lock up shop, they buy people up and down. But the people who supposed come out to go and support him, now they do their business. The major people who go come out to go fight for him, they're there. And this guy has been fighting for the Igbo people for a very, very long time. But now they there, now they different places, they share money, they collect dues. Is that the way to release him? Is that how they go to release him? But it's okay. Help me share this video to reach to Igbo people where be say they're only fighting for their own interests. Igbo people are busy fighting for their own interest. But they go to claim, say that they are fighting for you. They are not fighting for you. Everybody, they fight for their pocket. The person where they fight for now, they see as they humiliate them every day because of Una. He's not fighting for his own interest. He's fighting for the interest of everybody. We're going to come out any day when they say court. We're going to come out to go and release that guy. He has been fighting and he's doing the right thing. We're going to know they is the lock up in a shop. They say they protest for Nnamdi Kanu. Una know they protest for his release. Una they protest for their own selfish interest. But it's okay. There's no challenge. Free Nnamdi Kanu.